Want to know how to make viral motion clips? Trust me, it's simple. Stick around. Hey guys! Sorry it's been a while, but going to try and get back in with making more tutorials. But this is going to be a quick tutorial showing you how with OpenArt you can create motion syncing. So let's get into it. So I have this clip from my most recent music video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate an image of myself to then create myself doing the same motions that she is in the music video. So here is the original clip.
You kept coming along, telling me how bad you feel. It's killing me, girl, it's hard, it's making me ill.
Okay, now I'm going to generate an image of myself in OpenArt to work with. So I'm going to go into this image, and I'm going to click Recreate Image. Now in the prompt box, I'm going to edit this and type, a girl that is standing in front of a glittery wall. She is wearing a black, long, diamond-studded coat, wearing a white tube top underneath. The scene is a music video, glamorous head and shoulders shot. Now we click Generate. Okay, perfect! Next, we are going to head over to All Tools, and then we are going to find Motion Sync. Now, in the box that says Add Image or Character, we are going to drag our image we just created. Then, in Choose a Motion Clip, we are going to use the clip I have shown at the beginning of this video. Okay, in the prompt box, we are going to type, I want her to be in place of the girl in the silver jacket. Keep her in her original setting. We will keep the original sound. Character orientation we will keep as exact, and we will set the video mode to Pro. Then we hit Generate. Okay, let's preview.
Coming along, telling me how bad you feel. It's killing me, girl, it's hard, it's making me ill.
Great, let's look at them side by side.
You kept coming along, telling me how bad you feel. It's killing me, girl, it's hard, it's making me ill.
It is that easy, guys. Well, this has been a quick tutorial to show you guys how easy with OpenArt it is to do motion syncing. If you made it to the end, then thank you. And if you're new here, then welcome. I'm Sky. I create everything and anything AI. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Use my link in the description to sign up for an OpenArt account. Once again, guys, thank you for all your support. I love you all, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.
You make me feel